With a tagline of "Two Hands, One Heart," GB Friendship Day started in 2011 with the aim of establishing a national platform for girls and officers to serve the community by befriending the lonely, elderly, needy and those with special needs. Into our 8th edition, GB Singapore is looking into introducing relevant skills to help our girls and officers to continually grow and go beyond, extend, serve, lead. In preparation for GB Friendship Day this year, Team Smart Living, GB Singapore has added a technology-enabling service called Digital Serve. Not only have our girls and officers extended, served and led through the packing of goodie bags and setting out of the venue, some of them have spent the last few months learning about coding, microbits, cloud computing and 3D printing to help the LANs to overcome their challenges and take ownership of their lifestyle, safety and health.
Today's experience was very unique to me because we don't usually get this kind of experience in school. I'm in UG and people always think that UG always march and all. Actually coming to this workshop gives me a wider view in life and knowing that there's a technology that can help others. Often people always think that UGs, we don't do something that come to technology, so it's kind of special and unique.
I think it will be a new experience for the elderly. I do not think that they have heard of the microbit before, so it will be something new to them. Our game, Shooting Stars, is basically something like a basketball arcade game. The LANs, they will throw a ping pong ball into 5 baskets. Out of these 5, 2 of them will be moving and the other 3 will be stationary. This game helps the LANs with their hand-eye coordination.
I felt that I might be able to do something for the LANs with this type of technology. This technology, it's improving the lives of normal people. I think it would be even more useful for the LANs. So for GB Friendship Day, we've decided to make an AI to help the LANs. One example I thought of was that we could develop a vocal-based program that takes notes for them. Sometimes they tend to forget things, they'll need reminders, sometimes it's medication. And this is how I really think that this form of technology can really help the LANs.
Through this, we answer the nation's call for Singaporeans to be a smart nation, being digitally ready for the future. This has enabled our girls and volunteers to better serve using technology. As we continue to befriend and serve the community in Singapore, let us do so with our 2 hands and 1 heart.